Hey guys. Welcome to second episode of Podcast Rant with Adam. Today, I'm gonna reveal some secrets of Etsy and how I made 5 figures with them. Sit back and hold tight while you listen to never shared before secrets. I had created and managed the largest teams on Etsy for the last few years. They just made changes for the first time to their community pages like the forums and teams, and in the process removed 6,000 teams. All of mine included. They collectively had 170,000 members across them. Seems they removed all the promotion and networking teams. I had 2 teams that had 50,000 members each and over a dozen others ranging from 3,000 to 10,000 each. I always said if they ever did anything like this it would be a blessing in disguise. There are several methods I could never do because I did not want to jeopardize my legitimate assets on Etsy. Well, they just took them away, so now they are big time fucked and will probably make me more money in the process. I will be sharing several methods in the coming weeks about Etsy